The Galaxy S26 series has been popping up in leaks more frequently over the past few weeks, which isn't surprising at all considering Samsung is expected to unveil its next flagship lineup sometime next month. And while we've seen bits and pieces about the entire range, the Galaxy S26 Ultra has very clearly stolen the spotlight. Earlier leaks already pointed to features like a new privacy-focused display that makes it harder for people around you to peek at your screen, but the latest development takes things a step further with a short hands-on style video that allegedly shows the actual device in its retail box. The video shared by Ice Universe gives us a quick look at what's claimed to be the Galaxy S26 Ultra, complete with Samsung branding on the box and a brief glimpse of the phone's rear design. At first glance, the overall look isn't completely different from its predecessor in terms of shape and general layout, but the biggest visual change is the new camera design, which aligns with what the leaks have shown for the past couple of months. The unit shown in the video appears in a black or dark grey finish, and the retail box also confirms the continued presence of the S Pen, which comes as no surprise to anyone. Beyond that, the video itself doesn't reveal much else in terms of specifications or new features, and several people have been calling out this video for being fake or features a dummy unit. While Ice Universe was the one to post this video, he's clearly stated that he doesn't know the true source of the video, so a bit of caution is definitely warranted here. Looking beyond the video, previous leaks have already painted a fairly detailed picture of what the Galaxy S26 Ultra could offer, especially in the camera department. Some reports suggest Samsung may introduce a fresh set of lenses headlined by a larger 200-megapixel main sensor made by Sony, while other sources claim the overall camera setup will remain largely unchanged. If it plays out like that, we're looking at a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto, and a 50-megapixel 5x periscope camera, which still makes it one of the most versatile camera systems on any smartphone. On the performance side, rumors point to the Galaxy S26 Ultra being powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset in certain regions, while other markets may receive the Exynos 2600 processor. The device is also expected to stick with a 5000 mAh battery, but with an upgrade to faster 60 watts charging, and it should launch running Samsung's latest One UI 8.5 out of the box. Of course, none of this is official just yet, and Samsung hasn't confirmed any of these details, but with the expected February launch getting closer, it's only a matter of time before more concrete information starts to surface. As always, I'll be keeping a close eye on everything, and I'll make sure to keep you updated as soon as new details come in, so consider subscribing to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.